Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is me doing a get ready with me / a haul, and I was dressing up as a Broncos fan. I never explained it, but this is just the process. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you enjoy my content, and I love you all so much. I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I have all this stuff. I'm gonna be going all out. Okay, not all out, but like more all out than I normally do. I have all this stuff, and then I have moisturizer, some concealer. I use this like every day. I have this is my mom's makeup stuff that she's letting me use, and that's mine. And then I'm gonna watch something. I'm just gonna do like a time lapse.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine, no friends of mine.
The final look. That's my brother. He's gonna go out with this in his hair.
No, we're not.
Yeah. My Broncos shirt. Hey guys. So basically I'm gonna be doing like a unboxing, but like not unboxing, but like revealing what candy I got. So I trick-or-treated, and I didn't record anything because it just there wasn't a time. But I did take off my lines, and I didn't get too much of like the final result, but I did actually like get a little piece. So I'm sorry this video's been kind of hectic. This is going to be like the main part of the video. So let's get right into it. I haven't looked at anything. I've been home for a while, but I've just been like giving out candy. So this first thing is, okay, of course I saw this when they put it in my bag. I don't know what's in it, and it's like a candy monster. They did more little goodie bags because of like COVID, you know? But, and sometimes they did it down like a tube. Anyways, so let's open this. First of all, I'm keeping this bag. It's really cute. Okay. The first thing in here, wow. Okay, but for a little kid, this is really cute. Okay, next we have this. I've never seen all this stuff before. And you know when Slinkies are like, first you have to like you have to get all that glue. Okay. I love that. I love Slinkies, especially if you do it down like a flight of stairs. That's so cool. I love these balloons. Orange is my favorite color. I'm wearing orange, but it's just not my favorite color. I like it though. Cute. They gave me a dental kit. I'm guessing there's a toothbrush. They gave me look. A dental kit. It has a little thing, I'm guessing it's toothpaste. That's the teeniest tube of toothpaste. Like I've seen the small ones they give you. And then, okay, I love this toothbrush, like the way it looks. It actually looks pretty cool. I just like clear things. But I'm really surprised. That's the last thing I thought would be in this. Then we have Skittles. Gotta love me some Skittles. Then we've got some Play-Doh. And I love Reese's. I like them. I like all of these so far. Oh, and I forgot to show these. Never seen these before. These are sun-kissed fruit bites. Looks kind of cool. This is like a lollipop. And then we have bubbles. Bubbles are fun, but they can be very annoying. I find this dental kit really funny. That's really cute. They forgot to give me floss though. I suck at putting things back in the bag. This was really cute. I really like this bag. Next we have this. It's like see-through, but I like haven't looked at it in it. They have fruit snacks. I love fruit snacks so much. Butterfingers. I don't really like Butterfingers, so I'm going to give this to my dad. We have this. That's pretty It literally just fell. Where did it go? Okay, I have no idea where it went. I'm gonna be honest. I think this is a tattoo. No, it's not. It's just a sticker. But this one's definitely cooler than the last one. Where did the last one go? Oh, it just fell on the ground. Snickers. This. I like it. I'm not reading them. Anyways, but cute. This is the first thing in this bag. These are really good. I love those. Ooh. They have these. I don't know what those are. Sweethearts. Butterfinger for my dad. And a lemon head. I like lemon heads actually. Then we have Twix. Two Snickers. Another lemon head. And I love Crunch Bars, but I used to love them way more than I do now. This is so cute. I just have to give kudos to this person. They did this with a whole bucket full of candy. That takes a lot of time, I feel like. Okay, let's just grab a handful. Kit Kat, Airheads, and lollipops. Pretty much everything I've seen so far, I really like. We have Nerds. What kind of? I don't like Twix. Twix is disgusting, but I love Smarties. Reese's. Reese's are pretty good. This is the cutest packaging. It's Reese's cups, but it's miniature. My hands are ruining this. That is so cute. I love that packaging. Then we have this. Okay, I'm back. I had some technical difficulties. My storage ran out. Anyways, I was in the middle of telling you guys that my Laffy Taffy, I have a Laffy Taffy. I'm guessing it's banana or lemon. I don't know. Is this another? Yeah, this is another Nerds. Twix. I am having technical difficulties once again. Like it happened again. And it cut me off. And I got a little bit mad. Anyways, so Sweethearts and Snickers. Snickers aren't my favorite either, but I actually like them. But they're just not my favorite. And we have more Nerds. This Smartie. Ooh, a Rolo. If you don't know what Rolo is, it's basically like a little chocolate with caramel in the middle. And I love caramel. What is this? Guessing this is some sort of candy that I've never seen. This is weird. Like, it looks weird. It says it's watermelon with chili. So I'm guessing it's like a Mexican candy. That's not to be mean. I'm just like guessing. Anyways, then we have Starburst, which Starburst are probably one of my favorite candies ever. I love Starburst so much. Oh, candy. Okay, next we have another gift bag. I'm not gonna open it. It's just wrapped so cute. We have M&M's candy. All looks like this. Can you see that? I have all this candy, and then over here I have a pile of candy. My turnout wasn't as good as last year, but last year there was a lot more people, and there obviously wasn't. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys had a great Halloween, and follow my Instagram. And I want to know what you guys were for Halloween, so comment that down below, and just comment your opinion on my video and how your Halloween went. Hope you guys had a great Halloween and stayed safe. I love you all so much. Bye.